PEMDAS. This rule deals with the order of operations, and this is a rule that you're gonna encounter throughout your whole math journey. So let's learn it. You have a P in PEMDAS, a E, a M, a D, a A, and a S. So what does a PE stand for? It stands for parentheses. And that's for when you encounter things inside parentheses, curly braces, etc. E stands for exponents. And that's for things like a to the power of 2, 3, 4, etc. M stands for multiplication. And that's for things like x times y times x, etc. D stands for division. And that's for things like x over y or y over x, etc. A stands for addition. And that's for problems such as x plus y plus x, etc. And S stands for subtraction. And that's for problems that are dealing with x minus y minus x, etc. And that is PEMDAS. PEMDAS with examples. Now these are called nice examples because they are simple to explain and easy to work out. So let's begin. So the P in PEMDAS stands for parentheses. If you have 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2, both in parentheses, you want to work the things out inside first. In this case, 2 plus 3 is simplifiable. And that's going to be 5. We could bring down the parentheses. Here, we could work this out inside the parentheses. So 3 plus 2 is going to be 5. Now, if you notice, we can't work out anything else. So this is 5 without parentheses, plus 5 without parentheses. And the reason why it's without parentheses is because we can no longer do operations inside the parentheses. So this gives us 10. So the E in PEMDAS stands for exponents. And here's an example with exponents. What if we had 2 squared plus 2 plus 1? Where do we begin? Well, looking left to right, since we're dealing with exponents, I look for the 2 that's raised to the second power right there. And then I work that out first. So 2 squared is going to be 4 plus 2 plus 1. Just bring everything down. Working from left to right, I have 4 plus 2. And then I have to do the 1 after. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Bring down the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. And that's our simplified solution. So the M in PEMDAS stands for multiplication. Now let's look at an example. What if we had 10 times 2 plus 1? What do we do first? Do we do 2 plus 1? Or do we do 10 times 2? Well, the M signifies we start with multiplication from left to right. So we work with the 10 times 2, which is 20. Bring down the plus 1. This gives us 20 plus 1, which is 21. So the D in PEMDAS stands for division. Now let's look at this example. We have 3 plus 10 divided by 5. So what should we do? Do we do 3 plus 10 first or 10 divided by 5? Well, remember, follow PEMDAS, which means we do division first from left to right. So let's look at the 10 divided by 5. So this will equal 3 plus 10 divided by 5. Let's do that operation, is 2. And this leaves us with 3 plus 2, which is just 5. Nice. The A in PEMDAS stands for addition. Let's look at an example. What What if we had 3 plus 7 minus 1? What do we do first, right? Do we do 7 minus 1 or the 3 plus 7? Well, we're following a addition from left to right, so let's focus on the 3 plus 7. This is going to give us 3 plus 7 is 10. We bring down the 1, and we're just going to be left with 10 minus 1, which is 9. So the S in PEMDAS stands for subtraction, and let's look at an example. How about 100 minus 1 plus 2? Remember, always start from left to right. Luckily for us, subtraction is the first thing on the left-hand side. So let's look at 100 minus 1. That's going to be 99. We bring down our 2. Simplify this. So 99 plus 2 is 101. And we're done. So these are a few nice examples involving PEMDAS. Later on, we'll do some more what I like to call real examples.